Hello friends, this is Nadia from Nadia's Crafty Corner. Today we're going to do a very cute, simple, fast and easy, cute little project. And it is a wall decor piece that you can hang on the wall or in any part of the house that you choose. We are going to start with a 12-inch embroidery hoop. It's a two-piece, one that goes inside the other. The outside part has a little screw that could be tight or loose, depends on what we need. We are going to use a piece of felt. This has a little bit of glitter on one side, and because of the nature of this project, I felt that it was appropriate. And what I have done is I have cut it exactly the size of the inside frame. I have left a little bit extra, and then we are going to trim as we go along because I want to make sure that I have a little extra once my project is over. We are also going to use this very pretty bumblebee ribbon that's going to be part of our project. We are going to use a 4-inch, this is 4-inch wired ribbon. We are going to use yellow felt, and I've cut a strip that it's about 2.5 inches wide, and it is about 15 inches long. The reason why I made it 15 inches is because I want to make sure that I have enough to wrap around my frame. So we start with taking the frame apart, and we are going to put our 4-inch ribbon, and this could be, this could be done with any ribbon at all. And I'm going to pull on the wire to make sure that it sits correctly right in there. I'm going to take the 2.5-inch felt. I wrote a little something on it. It says be yourself. I felt that it was really cute with my bumblebee ribbon, and I'm going to put it in the center of my 4-inch, making sure that I have the same space on the top and on the bottom. Okay, and this is why I made it 15 inches, because now I have enough to go on the outside of the frame once it's all laid. I'm just waiting for my glue gun to warm up. The glue gun, scissors, and maybe pins, if you have never done this before, is what you will need. Once the ribbon is where I like it to be, there you go. Oh, and I want to also make sure that it is in the center of my hoop, which seems to be. Okay, I'm going to take the top part of the hoop, I'm going to loosen it up a little bit, and I'm going to put it over it, making sure that I am catching both my ribbons. Okay. Oops, sorry, I pulled too tight, too much. So don't pull too much once you put your, no, I'm going to take it out again because I want to make sure that the screw part of my hoop is centered, because that will help us hang our piece if we want it to hang. So I want to make sure that it is in the center. So just a little bit of measuring is what we need to do. Okay. And there we go. All right. Now my ribbon is centered. I'm just going to pull it down a little and play with it just a minute. There we go. Okay. Once everything is set the way I like it, then I'm going to go and tighten this up a little bit, making sure that both hoops are even. Okay, and then I'm going to turn it over, and I'm going to fold the ribbon in and fold it in. And I'm going to trim a little bit of the black and yellow because we don't need to have that much. There we go. Okay, it is pretty even. And I like where everything is positioned. So now I am going to, pardon me, I'm going to take my felt circle, and if you want, you can just put a little dab of glue right there to help hold your ribbon down. I'm doing one at a time. I'm putting it on the 4-inch ribbon first, just to hold it down, and then I'm going to go and do the same for the yellow. And I'm going to put that down. There we go. Okay, so it's now secured. I did put a little piece of burlap string right here because that's where I like to hang my piece, right? So it was easier to put it on before I assembled. Now I'm going to put my circle down. When you use the glue gun, if you get the strings, don't worry. Just, you can pull them, or you could get a blow dryer and they will come off in a jiff. Okay, so that's what it's going to look like once it's done. And then we're gonna go ahead and add this cute little bow just to give it a little touch. And look at that, you have an instant, oh, you could let this go this way, or you can make it shorter if you like. You could curl it, and this has a pipe cleaner, so I'm going to put it inside, right there. And I like to place the bow before I put the back. There we go. Okay. And push it down a little bit. And now we can gently go ahead, and I'm just going to put a little glue on the wood part. I'm not going to go and do it all around because you want to make sure that you are positioning it the right way. And oops, that burned just a little. And try to put it more toward the middle of the frame, so once you press on the felt, it's not going to spill on either side. We offer this as a kit or as a ready-made wall decor, so it's up to you. You could have this be a very pretty project with your kids. And it's simple enough. If you do decide to get the kit, everything is already cut the size, and there we go. And the print is already done for you. If you decide to do it yourself and purchase your own material, you will need a transfer vinyl, a heat transfer vinyl. Doesn't matter what brand. And you will need an iron, and then you will purchase the yellow felt, the black felt, and the 2 different ribbons, and of course the hoop. All right, so this is a very quick and easy, cute little project, nice and clean, that could be hung on a wall, and it's just that simple. Thank you for watching. This is Nadia from Nadia's Crafty Corner. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.